back to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And today on the Mix, we have Maxine. And Maxine is talking about her granddaughter, Bella. And allegedly, she's saying that the lies have now been revealed in Lorraine's camp. She's saying that the lies have been revealed, and people are now saying, that she was lying all along. So you need to go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day.
Say all of the two of them are Lori, Bob, Cartoon, Michelle, and the whole of them bring them to Lorraine. Cause Lorraine is so damn dumb. She can't read and write, so you can't expect no better from her. Nobody see look so bad and it's terrible that you're gonna take a baby's picture. You come on the live in your house with candles light, with a skeleton, a full-bodied skeleton, with a baby picture, and bring it to a graveyard. And it's okay? I'm not supposed to say nothing at all. I'm not supposed to do nothing. It's okay, right? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Thank God Tanya know Bella. Quite a few of you on here know Bella. See Bella. You see Bella walking. Bella don't walk with no foot hopping up. That was just a game she was playing at the hospital. And she hadn't seen her grand aunt in a long time. And she decided to stomp around. That's evil. Tanya, that's evil. And you gonna tell me that she don't deserve every bit of punishment that come her way? Every bit. She thinks she hear her people them fly out pan her good? She thinks she hear her people them fly out pan her good? You wait. You just wait. She not see bond paper yet. She does not see bond paper yet. I can't even see the writing on the Facebook on the YouTube page. I can't even see the writings on there. I forgot big up this something coming and understand how it's so. Subscriber. Alright, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Like up the live, guys. Like up the live, guys. Your thumbs, your likes and your thumbs up is very, very important. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Welcome to my chat. Thank you so much. The woman evil. The woman evil. You know want to hear cartoon dwar today? You know want to hear cartoon dwar today? Me just sit down and then listen. Me say, oh God. No, sir. All these years when me just tell you say I lie, the girl tell. Nothing that come out her mouth is true. The 8-hour life what she do was just in vain. When she talk about, oh, you care done a God, how much of your man? You care done a God, how much are you get done a success? And me tell you, say, if that no work, God no work. And if this no work, the devil no work. Go away with your dirty this and that and that. Me and this girl no hold no argument. I don't know why people bring children in their foolishness. I don't know either. I don't know. But the girl wicked. Good night, Carol. Good night, my dear. Good night to everyone who have not said good night to yet. Good night. The girl evil. And everybody go say, but Maxine trouble her grandpitney. Me no trouble no grandpitney. Nothing what come out of the girl mouth and not true. As she said me say everything what then Michelle and everything carry to that girl. The girl can't carry one tape come put on in front of me right now and say, you did shovel me grand picnic or whatever. She can't. And all of them carry news to him from cartoon to Sophie to the whole of them. Carry news to her, go tell her, say me they do this and me they do that. Poor me. Me have time for see Lorraine. Me say she's gonna get her beaten. You know gonna get her beaten? Hey. Hey, sir. How are you gonna do something like that to a young little baby? Eh? When then done, they say the picnic, papa they fool around the picnic, then send DCF for the yard. What do they send DCF for the yard for? And these are the things we want to tell DCF, because DCF tell us. Me have to do drug test. Tajana have to do drug test. The papa wanna live there have to do drug test. Omar get banned from the yard. I wanna do it. I wanna do it. I wanna do it to him. Everything what happened to him, I wanna do it to him. Some people is not as strong as I am. Some people is very weak. Very, very weak. I was weak too. Because me sit down on the platform and hear no tear down 99. But me never care that you know they do it because me won't want justice for myself. Never care. Because she went do me bad. So with me sitting there and you know they cuss her, I was very happy. Very, very happy. But enough is enough. When it passed 6 months and she apologized and said she wrong and stuff like that, it done. But no, no carry on, I want to carry on. But who is me to say anything? You forgive all I want anyhow. So why am I still in the lion's den? You forgive all I want. All I want who tear him down, who cuss him and go on with himself. So what? So why me still there on the shit list? Why? Which me no care. I don't care. But no should not happy for me right now. Never for me. Should I still the radio. No, everybody say everything what they say are foolishness. So it doesn't even matter what they come out with right now. It doesn't even matter what they come out with right now. Because what they go come out with no make no sense. No sense at all. No, sir. I ain't never seen nothing like this from the day me born. Never. Never. Yes. Watch live, nothing. Oh, you're frightened. I am so frightened. I look at my phone and it looked like it's on YouTube, but it was a different phone. And it says something about me and I'm like, what? I think somebody they chat sitting about me now. Every day they chat sitting about me. Thank God I start to burn the fire. They stop calling me name. Enough of them run. Me not even see some of them page no more. That's how much they run. They run. What's up? Cartoon they give Lorraine L. Cartoon call her son dirty name. Lorraine they give Tina Chin L. Tina Chin they give back Lorraine L. Which is all good. Which is all good for me. So, let me hear. Yeah, man. Yeah. Me hear say me name they all over cartoon mouth today. But me name depend everybody mouth. You just got to choose to the wrong. You just got too close to the wrong person and trust the wrong people. Them. Yes, it's true. It's true. Let me shut it. Me don't know what wrong with the phone here. Me have to shut it down and then start if you get the volume up. Me don't know. Me have to go look in the settings. Me don't know what they go on with it. Me don't know what they go on in the settings with it. Give me 1 minute. It soon come up. It soon come. Alright. Let me try this one. Anything they have a face. Me no really eye. Me no long eye. Me no bad night. But then I can't make it because I walk door and I shut door. I lock it from my sister. You know how people don't wear special good life. Anyway, we serve. Life. Boy, cartoon, you look like you sit down at the peony walliness. I don't know if a peony wally or a cricket, but it look like you just sit down right in the nest. Oh my God. Hi, Cod. Yeah, outside today in a peony walliness. Good night, Anne-Marie. Love come to them, turbo wash out to them, you know. Their wicked is drunk up on the earth, not cruel to people. But when you fuck with you, will fuck you up more. Then at least when your bedroom go post by your bed, you're in a top of your bed and you're in just by bed. Close a show blood clot and no channel like that, because the same time she not blood clot store. You know, so she like to see by the next 2 weeks, she need like in shape like myself. I also don't want to let you know, go in her room. Then you go in there and put blood clot sheet pumping. And the perfect people can't sleep on the floor to run pumping. Because you sleep on a good blood clot, you better go kill 99 times. You better go look out 2 man back to wood and say, thank you, Dana. Because you may get a bed in a family, I have to post in it. Sleep can come out and say, can me now and store like behind. Like you can't take blood clot phone and go in or you're going in a bedroom. Eh? Thank God for Dana. Or I think her page name Angela 1000 or something like that. Angela 1000 or whatever. I don't even know. Ask them in a chat. Let me tell you. I think her internet must have been messed up.